we basically say that the successes we've had in the oil and gas industry is really anchored around the persons we've worked with, as well as the host community that we have been engaged with. And this represents the beginning of a wider stakeholder engagement. When we started, we immediately put in place the Global Memorandum of Understanding in the host and impacted communities. And this then created the foundation for subsequent engagement in other areas where we operated. It then meant that Seplat developed a model that contributed very significantly through our corporate social responsibility programs, in addition to this Global Memorandum of Understanding. And then it meant that we then developed the right framework for the right engagement with the stakeholders. This then meant that we focused a lot of our attention in having a collaborative framework with the communities, such that the areas that we focused on meant that we helped in community and host community empowerment. We made sure that we invested in the communities in areas where we encourage win-win collaborations. We made them real participants in the oil business. We've had to put in place skill acquisition programs where we trained a lot of youths. We have to also launch the contractor program where we trained a lot of local contractors to participate in our businesses. Over and above that, we have also invested very significantly in areas of education. We made sure that we encourage people from host communities to acquire the right kind of education through scholarships and of course, promoting education, especially science, mathematics, and technology-based education. We've also invested very actively and continuing in healthcare service delivery systems, where we have focused in those areas of needs in the areas we operate. The I Can See motherhood programs are very important flagship programs we have done. We've also led a very significant infrastructural development in these areas that are very welcomed by the people. And in the larger Nigerian society as well, we have made very impactful investments. At the macro level, we are happy that we're contributing to the growth of employment drive. When we started our operation, we indeed inherited about 37 staff. Today, Seplat has been very happy to announce that we have over 600 staff in this environment. And of course, we have an ongoing graduate trainee program where we encourage young, bright Nigerian graduates to enter the industry. We train them and position them for future leadership in this space.